Welcome to Mature Sass. My name is Linda. My channel is all about style and fashion, sprinkled with a little bit of unboxings and nails now. So guys, today I have a trunk club video. Now, I must share with you, I'm not exactly thrilled. I'll explain why. Keep watching. Now, as I've listened to a bunch of you guys explain how things have changed at Nordstrom and Trunk Club since we've been in the pandemic, I'm kind of understanding your pain a little bit because, as you know, I had a link where people could use it and they could get $50 off of their purchases. And I'm certainly hoping that they did. I'm going to mention two that I actually know did. Amber from Bazaar's DIY and my friend Jennifer that I went to high school with. Hers is Jen Posh Style, I think is the name. She's a Poshmark ambassador. So both of those ladies will be linked down below. But when I got my notices about those three, it should have been like $150 credit, right? Well, when I got my notice about the box, it says that I have a $25 credit, which would have been the credit anyway that I was paying for the box. So I emailed them and still they seem to think it's a $25 credit. We'll get that ironed out, don't worry. But anyway, they didn't listen to a thing that I said that I wanted. I kind of cheated, like some of you guys said, that you know how you go and you click like you're gonna check out. I plainly said 0 sleeveless tops, 0 short sleeve tops. You guys know I don't like going sleeveless. There's a tank in here. I said no shoes over an inch high because, you know, I have back problems a lot. And it looks like that there's a pair of sandals like this high in there. And I sent them a picture because you know how it says now, is there a picture of something you want? I went on their website and said, I would love to have these loungewear sets. And I sent the picture. There's no loungewear in here at all. I said I didn't really need any more jeans, so don't put jeans. There's a pair of jeans in here. And there's something else. What was, oh, remember the last trunk I got, I said if they had that moto jacket in a smaller size, I would love to have it. And they told me that they don't have it. It's not true because when I went on their site to look for the loungewear, I saw that jacket in my size. I'm like, come on, Nordstrom. So anyway, I don't know if they can only send you what they have in their warehouse because I told you guys this comes from Iowa. I don't know. I'm just not real happy right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox everything because it all comes individually wrapped. I haven't opened it yet. And I'm just going to put on the screen what the items are in case you may want to invest in them. And I'll just try them on for you guys. But for those of you who are not familiar, Nordstrom puts together this trunk club. Now, it's not a subscription service because you can just get one whenever you want it. I know a lot of people get it monthly because they do use it as a subscription service, but it isn't that. You pay a $25 styling fee and you take a little quiz on what your likes or dislikes are, like no sleeveless tops. And then they used to have a personal stylist to style you. Well, now it's, I guess, kind of like a team of people that work together to put this box together for you. Anything that you like, that you want to keep, that $25 is subtracted from that price. So let me unpack everything and we'll take a look at what I got. Okay, Amber and Jennifer, I am so glad that you used the link and you did find some pieces that you really liked. Now, guys, I want to be fair, but I want you all to understand my point of view. If I said I am now retired, I would like to try your Luxe loungewear. Tell me where I would be wearing this. Can you all see the shimmer in that? This metallic twin set evening top. Where am I going? And if I said I can't wear anything over an inch heel because of my back, where would I be wearing those? I'm just saying. Okay, on the positive note though, I forgot to tell you that shipping both ways is absolutely free. So all you need to do is just put the things back in the trunk and seal it with tabs that they give you. And then they're going to give you a prepaid mailing label. You just slap it on the outside of the box. You can call for a pickup or put it in online for a pickup, but there's the FedEx right down the street for me, so I usually just run mine down. Now, before I go, I want you all to see that these jeans are growing by the second. Do you see? Now, if I say it in the note to please go down a size and everything, why wouldn't you go down a size and everything? I'm just saying. Okay, so, you know what? Since I can't transfer the credit to Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, which I would like to do so I can just shop for myself, I guess I have to order another trunk because I'm not letting $150 just sit on the table. You guys know I'm not going to do that. So I'll be getting another trunk. So thank you for stopping by and hanging out for this trunk club try on with me. And make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe before you leave. Thumbs up the video. Well, there's not really much to thumbs it up about, but thanks for stopping by. Make sure you stand safe and healthy and keeping it sassy. I'll see you soon.